Okay, girls, I'll be explaining the topic area and perimeter of a rectangle of chapter area and perimeter. So, as we know from our previous topic, that is area and perimeter of a square, we know that area is the multiplication product of the length and the width or breadth of any figure or shape. Its unit is unit square, where the unit could be centimeters, meters, or any other form to measure length. So as we know, a rectangle has different sizes. That means the opposite side of a rectangle are equal, but the adjacent sides are not equal. So area of rectangle is nothing but the the multiplication product of the length and the width. Any of the two adjacent sides multiplication is the area. And now perimeter is the addition of all these sides. Girls, perimeter is the addition of all these sides of the figure and shape. Its unit is just the unit, as we know when we learned it previously. Perimeter of a rectangle, now it is the addition of all these sides of the figure or shape. That means we have two opposite which are equal, a plus a, that is 2a, and b plus b, that is 2b, or 2 into length and 2 into width, right? So this is where our formula originates from. This is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, girls, I hope you understood what area and perimeter is. So now I'm going to explain our first example. Find the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. They have given you 6 and 23. 6 meters and 23 meters. Area of rectangle equals to length into width. Now we have 6 and 23. So our area is the multiplication of any two sides that are adjacent to each other, the length and the width, that is 23 and 6. So area of rectangle equals to 138 meters square. Perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle equals to 2 into length plus 2 into width, that is 2 into 6 plus 2 into 23, that is 58 meters. Okay, on to our second example. Our second example is a rectangle field has an area of 24 meters square and the breadth of 4 meter. Find the length of the rectangle, find the perimeter of the rectangle. Area of rectangle equals to length into width. They have given you the breadth, that means length into 4 equals to 24. So now how are we going to find the length of the rectangle? The length of the rectangle is 24 divided by 4. Girls, if 4 length equals to 24, one length is going to be 24 divided by 4, that is 6 meters. Perimeter of the rectangle equals to 2 into length plus 2 into width. We already got the length from the previous question. So now, and we already have the width. So 2 into length is 2 into 4 plus 2 into width, that is 2 into 6. And that is 8 plus 8 plus 12, that is 30 meters. Our third example is find the breadth of the rectangle when the perimeter is 58 centimeters and its length is 18 centimeters. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into length plus 2 into width. And our perimeter is 58. 58 equals to 2 into length. We have the length as 18 centimeters. So 2 into 18 equals to 36 plus 2 into width. Now 2 into width, we know that if 2 widths equal, okay, 58 minus 36 equals to 22. We will subtract what is the excess, right? We will subtract. If we subtract 58 minus 36, then we will get what is the value of 2 width. Now 2 width equals to 22. So 1 width equals to 22 divided by 2. And this is our first question. Our first question is find the length of the rectangular figure if it is a breadth of 6 centimeters and area is 156. So the area is 156 centimeters square, and the length is, we have to find the length, and they have given us the breadth as 6 centimeters. That means the area equals to 156, area equals to length into width. So we have the width as 6 centimeters, so the length is nothing but 156 divided by 6. That is our length. Find the breadth of the rectangle. Given that the length is 12 centimeters and the perimeter is 40 centimeters. Now the perimeter of a rectangle equals to 2 into length plus 2 into width. They have given us the length, that is 2 into, they have given us the length, that is 12 centimeters, and we have to find the breadth. That means, and they have given us the perimeter. So 40 equals to 12 into 2 plus 2 into breadth. Now how are we going to find the breadth? We are simply going to subtract 40 minus 2 into 12, that is 24. 40 minus 24 divided by 2, that is our width. And then the third question, the last question, is the breadth of the rectangular pool is 40 meters. The length is longer than the breadth by 22 meters. What is the area and perimeter of the swimming pool? Now the breadth of the rectangular pool is 43. The length is longer than the breadth by 22 meters. That means we're going to, the length equals to 43 plus 22. And then we have the length and the breadth now, so we can find the area and perimeter of the swimming pool. And that's it, girls. I hope you understand. We have the answer key down below, so please answer the questions and match your answer with the answer key. And that's it, girls. Thank you.